Alright, this is my solution to the assignment posted in lesson 99, the dual servo sweep. Here I'm just going to run it real quick to show you that it works, and both servos are operating independently and moving in different directions. I achieved that by using the same, so this is my code over here, this is the same code, state machine code that we used to just get one servo going, servo. Up here I instantiated it, created the code for the function for that, and all I did is, to make this work, I just set up I'm taking advantage of one of the other state machines that are on the Pico. So using the same function, same frequency, and then I changed the pin here because I hooked this second servo up to pin 18 instead of 20. I just had to activate both for my while loops to make sure that they are going in different directions. I just had to kind of reverse the numbers that each one was doing, but here I'm just putting kind of the opposite values. So state machine 0 is going to be putting in, starting at a 0 and then moving up to 180, and then state machine 1 will be starting at 180 and going down. And then reversing that once on the backward sweep. So that's my solution. Nothing really crazy. I did have a little crazy stuff down here. I wasn't happy with the way that these were shutting down. So in my last video, I had this, but when I was playing around with it, I noticed that when I used a keyboard interrupt to stop it, sometimes it just was not resetting like I wanted it to. I wanted it to go back to an initial position like it does now. And I realized that because of where you are interrupting it, there was sometimes some extra stuff in the TX FIFO that had not been pulled out yet due to where it was at the point of trying to cancel it. And so I had to look up some commands. I knew that there was some other ways to start pulling data, and I found this pull no block, which means that it's going to try to pull without blocking the program, without locking it up, if there was something there, just so I can make sure that the FIFO, maybe if something got put into it before I canceled, then that would get cleared out. So without this, it was working sometimes and just not working some other times. So that's what all this is. That's my solution. No lawn chairs here.